What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Read on a Fly, where we do everything outdoors. I just got off work and it is a beautiful evening, so I think I'm gonna pick up all the fishing rods in my truck right there, hit up a family farm pond, and fish for the rest of the evening. But I want to do a little challenge tonight. I should probably get out to the lake maybe around 6:15, 6:20, and I'm gonna give myself 2 hours, so probably from 6:30 to 8:30 to catch 10 largemouth bass. Not gonna give myself any weight limit, size restrictions. I just have to catch 10 fish in 2 hours. And if I don't really know what I'm gonna do yet. I don't know if I'm gonna eat something crazy, jump in the water. I don't know yet, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Hopefully I can get my 10 fish in 2 hours and not have to worry about it and call it a day. So I'm gonna get packed up, ready to roll, and see you guys on the water. All right, so I'm gonna start with the Ned rig. The old Deadly Nedley, all reliable. Just bought some new TRDs today at Bass Pro, so I am ready to roll, restocked. My only concern is landing a bass. I probably have 10 or 15 feet of this thick grass right in front of me. Walking down the bank, it's gonna be like this the whole way around the lake. So. Oh man, had a bump. There's a muskrat right there swimming around. Oh, lost him. I have a feeling that this cast or the next cast, I want to get a good eat and get a good hook set. I think I got some grass on my hook right now. Oh man, I got a bump. Oh man. Oop, yeah, I see him. Oh, he's on. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. Booyah, I told you. This cast, something was gonna happen. Little guy. We got him on the Ned rig. Sick. Man, he smoked right on the edge of that grass. Came up and annihilated it. Oh, are you kidding me? This little dude straight up choked it, man. Look at that. Popped right out. Well, fish number 2. Probably the smallest fish I ever caught out of here. I gave myself the challenge to catch 10 fish in 2 hours. Right now the time is 6:52, and there's no size restrictions, no size limit. Just as long as it is a largemouth bass that is landed. I mean, I'm feeling pretty confident. Got here at 6:30 and I'm going to 8:30, so I got another hour and a half to land 8 fish. And I have a feeling that the best fishing of the evening has yet to come. And I lost. Nope, he's on. Nope, he's off. Oh. Just lost fish number 3 because I was swatting bugs. Didn't have time to set the hook properly. Oh my gosh. Dude, my neck's on fire with these bugs. All right, I don't want to spend too much time in one area. I gotta move out. I gotta keep moving. Time's ticking. Fish on. Bass. Fish number 3, baby. Sick. To be honest, I hope that they're not all this size. I'd like to get some size to these fish. So if I can do this challenge all on this size, I'm gonna feel pretty salty. All right, fish number 3. I hope they get bigger because I don't want to complete this challenge just on that size of fish. Like low 70s, mid 70s. But if it was like freaking high 80s, oh man, that felt freaking juice. That felt, oh, another hit. Oh, no. That felt like a freaking wrecking ball. Look at that. Bending all up, man. That felt freaking spicy. I'm sure this is my last mushroom head jig in this size. I think I have some smaller ones, and I don't know why I didn't buy any more today. So I'm hoping I don't break off, because that would suck. Oh my God. Dude, that scared the hell out of me. A freaking largie just smoked my line. I have never seen that. I don't know if that's a sign to switch to frogs, but dude, he just freaking ripped at it. I'm not sure if the wake, just from that line movement, got him all agitated, but I might throw, dude, I don't know. But that was freaking epic. I might do one more cast on the Ned rig. Let's switch to a frog, because dude, that was a decent looking bass. Here's number 5. Oh yeah. Ooh. A little bigger than the last 2. Halfway there. We were halfway there and it is 7:21, so I still have about an hour. Sweet. Thanks, bub. I'm halfway there. I'm hoping these next few fish are a decent quality size, because these dink ones, they're fun to catch, but I want some size to them. So I'm hoping I can go out with a bang. Ooh, yes, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on. Won't lose them to weeds. Oh, yes. Yes! Fish number 6. All right, there we go, fish number 6. That's dope. Dude, look at these gnats. I'm literally right in the center of like the freaking town square right now. Oh my God, dude, they're like everywhere. Dudes, what's your guys' purpose of life? Fish on, fish on. Oh, dude, decent bass, decent bass. Oh, dude, where's he at? He's lost in the grass. I got him in the grass, and he go down in the water. Flip him. Booyah. Biggest bass so far. Biggest bass so far of the challenge. Sick. Annihilated that TRD. He went into the grass, and I thought I was gonna lose him. Awesome. Good, healthy fish. That is fish number 7. Sweet, and there he goes. Sick. Fish number 7. All right, last cast on the Ned rig. I'm switching to the frog. Feeling lucky. I got 7 fish down. Gotta get 3 more in like 15 minutes. Hopefully I can pull off the comeback of the century. Moss frog time. Frogging, you don't need nothing net fancy. Just need something that floats, makes some noise. It has 2 hooks on it. It has some good hooks on it. These are the Ozark Trail frogs. These are $1.97. This is the first time I'm using them. Got good color on them. Got some weight on the back. So let's get a little good cast going on. And I've been seeing them hit. All right, let's give her a shot. So far I'm digging these frogs, man. They swim good, they cast good, they look good. I haven't had any strikes on them yet. I'm just waiting for her to blow up, man. Got one. Got one. Freaking burned him. Oh, he's off. Oh. Gosh, dude. Oh my gosh, that makes me sick to my stomach. Of course, I have my freaking real frogging rod. I'll braid on. Dude, that was perfect. I saw him eating earlier. I saw him eating probably like not even a minute ago. Casted right by him. He smoked it. Oh, dude, I knew that was going to happen. I'm casting way too far out. Got him again. Got him again. Oh, he's off. Dude, he's pissed. Let's see if I can get him a little closer. No, I need to get a little closer. I can go down these. Dude, he's got to smoke it. I'm right in his backyard. I don't even care about the competition right now. I don't care what time it is. I'm afraid to check my phone because I gotta keep my eyes on this freaking frog. They're probably bailed. Oh, there he is. Oh. I'm setting the hook way too fast. I gotta let him swallow it. That's 4 strikes, man. I gotta let him eat it. I'm taking that hook right out of his mouth. All right, it's 8:23. I literally have like 7 minutes left to catch 3 more fish. I've lost my opportunity to catch my 8th fish a handful of times. Just because I was just setting that hook on that bass way too soon, way too early. Basically ripping that frog right out of that bass's mouth. It's just almost an instant reaction when you see a fish eat your bait, just like automatically set the hook. Got one poking at it. Oh, dude, I'm an idiot. Alex, you're a freaking moron, bro. All right, well, it's clearly past 8:30, so I did lose the challenge. Pretty bummed, but I am focusing on trying to get a topwater eat now. So the challenge is over with. I lost. I was 7 fish short of defeating the challenge. But right now, my new challenge is to get a topwater eat. I'm throwing on the Whopper Plopper. I'm throwing these like a handful of times. I know the treble hooks are gonna be easier to get a hook set on a bass, but let's see if they're wanting to eat it. Yep. Oh. Whew. First cast. That's probably the best hooks I've had so far. Launched that freaking Whopper Plopper right at me like a freaking torpedo. Hit. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude, I don't know if he's still on or not. I think I'm just gonna come off the big old. Oh, finally. First freaking topwater eat of the evening. The little guy. Whew. Oh man. It's giving me flashbacks to my previous video. Ah, fuck. First whopper plopper eat. Sweet. See ya. One bomb get straight out there. Let's see what this whopper plopper's all about. Let's burn it. Let's just burn it. Alrighty guys, well I did not complete the 2-hour challenge, so as a punishment I have to eat these 4 atomic wings from Wingstop. I kind of asked around what the hottest wing in Peoria was, and I got a lot of votes for the atomic ones from Wingstop, so we're going to give it a shot. No water, no milk, no ranch, just straight up hot sauce. I got to eat all 4 of them. I ain't gonna lie, this is probably the first time I've ever been scared to eat a food. Or not scared, but like more nervous and anxious. But, oh God, I just got heartburn just sniffing those. So I'm gonna hand the camera over to Taylor, and there goes nothing. I should have been a better fisherman. Here we go. What should I start with? Should I start with the drum or the wing?
Drum, because it has the most spice.
Here's to being 3 fish short.
You sweating? Mm-mm. They're not bad?
Mm-hmm. It's not bad. Alright, yeah, it's kicking in. Afterburners are on. You don't want none of this, dude.
Look at him.
You don't want none of this. Yeah, she's kicking in now. Got one down. She's burning. Starting to get the sweats. I don't know if you guys can tell my eyes are watering. I'm getting that crazy. I'm getting a pretty good sweat, lathering up.
I see the sweat on your face.
All right.
They smell real bad too.
2 down. 2 down, 2 to go.
Are they good?
Yeah. Dude. I feel like a fire breather right now. I can get like a torch and go just little straight up flames. Down to my last one.
You have to go 60 seconds afterwards with no water or milk. Does it burn your hands?
Not yet. I should have just jumped in the water. This would have been a lot easier.
I don't think it was recording the whole time.
Well, the viewers ain't gonna see me freaking dying. Alright guys, so that's what happens when you don't catch 10 fish in 2 hours and you do a challenge and you eat these freaking flaming hot wings. I need an IV of Pepto-Bismol, and I need like a freaking pallet of Tums right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Reading on the Fly. It was fun catching all those fish, but it was not fun doing this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to see more challenges, give me a thumbs up. Till next time, see ya. I don't have a hat on, so...